Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video we will be looking at the stock market, how it can open on Monday, October 17. Further, we will be discussing about the results of DMart, HDFC Bank, LTI, and what will be my EMI listing day strategy for the IPO. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button on my channel and do like this video. Talking about the Dow Jones Index, on last Friday, the Dow Jones Index was roughly down by 1.34% due to the recession fears and due to the data of inflation, which turns out to be 8.2%. There are chances that the Fed Reserve might increase the rate hikes to 75 BPS in coming months as well. This will directly have an impact on the Nifty50 index as well. And you can see that the Nifty index is likely to open a gap down scenario. Yes, talking about the Nifty50 index, on Friday we gave a closing roughly around 17,195, which was 1% up. But when on Monday we open up, I believe that the Nifty50 index, according to its future, would likely be open around the level of 17,050. Now, there are two chances which can happen here, that if the Nifty opens up in a gap down scenario, the stock market might recover a little and further can give a uptrend rally if breaks the level of 17,200. If market falls from further below from the day's opening, then there are chances that we might see a range bound market or a downtrend market in the Nifty50 index. Talking about the results of the stocks, the first stock which I want to discuss is LTI Infotech. So Larsen & Toubro Infotech gave result on Friday after closing the market, and you will see that the company produced a fantastic results in terms of their sales, in terms of their operating profits and revenue. You can check that the company sales has increased from the level of 4,523 crore rupees to 4,837, whereas on year basis they saw a massive jump of 1,000 crore rupees in their sales. Looking at the operating profit, similar story is here, where you see that in the last year they did an operating profit of 733 crore, which increased to the 912 crore in September quarter. There is a jump on quarter-on-quarter basis and year-on-year basis. Looking at the net profit of the company made a profit of 682 crore rupees. You can see that the company is making an all-time high profit and all-time high sales. Despite that, the company is currently corrected roughly around 20% from its top level of 7,532. I am invested in this particular company. If you're planning to invest in this particular company, you can look out for the level of 4,150 to 4,000, or even you can invest in this particular company at a current market price if you want to do it for a long term. The next company I want to discuss for the result is Avenue Supermart. I recently covered this stock in my detailed analysis video, where I did a full detailed analysis of a DMart company. They again posted a very good result, but there has been one negative factor in their result, which I will discuss in this video. The company did again the massive sales of 10,638 crore rupees, which is roughly 600 crore rupees up on Q-on-Q basis. And similarly, if you will look on the year-on-year basis, they saw a massive jump of roughly 2,800 crore rupees. Now talking about the operating profits, their operating profit has been a decline on Q-on-Q basis, and there was an increase in year-on-year basis. But you will see, still the company was able to generate a good net profit towards the end of September quarter, and you will see that they have posted their maximum amount of profit. But similarly, if you will look, there has been a decline in operating profit, and there is another catch that the tax the company has been paying roughly around 27%, 24%, 31%, which in this quarter turns out to be only 8%. Well, this is something like not a worrisome issue. The company can definitely pay tax later, or they have already adjusted the tax in their balance sheet, or they are planning to do it in the next quarter. But there are chances that this might negatively impact the stock, and see how the market reacts to the DMart tomorrow. Again, DMart is currently trading in the correction of roughly around 15 to 20% from its top level. If you are interested in the business model of this company, then definitely you can apply, or like you can buy the particular stock. I have been investing in this stock from last 2 years and it has given me massive returns as well. So the current market price is roughly around 4200, and if you are planning to invest, the current market price is as well decent. The next stock which I want to discuss on the basis of result is HDFC Bank. Yes, the largest Indian banking company, private banking company, currently trading at a price of 1439. And the results which HDFC Bank provided was again exceptional, and you can see that the company is making all-time high revenue, as well as they are making all-time high financing profit, and even the net profits are on the all-time high. Despite that, the company is not at the all-time high on the basis of their stock price. Then again, this is a very good situation for HDFC Bank, where you can plan to invest in this particular company. The company is taking support at the level of 1300 and 1400 from last couple of months. And I believe that if you find this particular stock at a level of 1300, it's a must buy. 1350, you can plan to invest. Currently, the stock price is roughly around 1450. If it breaks the level of 1450 and sustain for one day, there are high chances that the stock price might go up to the level of 1500 once again in this short-term period. This is what I wanted to discuss, and all the three stocks has given amazing results. Definitely you can keep them on a watch list for Monday and see how the market reacts to it. But I will definitely be looking to make more positions in these three stocks after looking at the results. Talking about the Electronic Smart India IPO, if you have been allotted with the IPO, then tomorrow is the day when it is going to be listed on the stock exchange. The current grey market premium for the Electronic Smart India IPO is 30 rupees, which turns out to be roughly 50% of what is the listing price. The IPO came out at a price of 59 to 60 rupees, and it is going to give you a profit of 30 rupees, gonna list at 90 rupees, and will be giving you a profit of 50%. If you want my opinion, like what I will be doing in this IPO, then definitely I will be booking half of my shares on the opening of this IPO, and half of the shares I will hold and see how the market trades, or put the valuations of this IPO on the day. Well, you can keep the stop loss at the opening price if you are someone who has invested in this particular company for a short-term perspective. Then you can book your profits on the listing day as well. If it breaks the day low, then you can exit in this particular stock, or you can hold this stock for long term with the same strategy where you can put the stop loss on the day's low. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of these stocks and what is going to be the listing strategy, how the stocks have performed on their quarterly result. And in next week, there are some companies where you can also put them on the watch list. The ACC is going to present their result on 17th October. You will see that the company like PVR is also going to present their result on 17th of October. There are banks like IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank, which are going to present their results on next week. So keep them on focus as well. I'll get you the stocks with their performances in the quarterly result. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do share it with your friends. Thank you.